Wednesday, the 15th of August, 2024. The location, Essington, Pennsylvania. Again, Wanamaker Ave. It's 9:35 in the morning. Sorry about the sun angle. Waiting the arrival of a CSX local. Got a thoroughbred. Thru, GB38. GB38. UN 128068. No, it's not propane, but it'll be oil. Out of the big yard to the east of here, the Delaware River, and I suspect they're taking this string of tank cars down to the holding yard down this way. Records. There is a big refinery down probably 4 or 5 miles to the west of here, which could also be where they're taking these cars. You see that from the air all the time. Guessing they're going down to the refinery, unless they stop on the other end of that storage yard. It's about a mile down, I'd guess, and switch out. We'll see.